Hydration station malfunction. This doggo has a unique approach to getting a drink. Is it walkies time yet? No? Okay, I'll just stare at you intensely until you cave. Doggo see, doggo do. Now who's the real magician here?
Staring at the blank page before you open up the dirty window. Let the sun illuminate the words that you cannot find. Reaching for something in the distance, so close you can almost taste it.
They call him a puppy. I call him a portable cuddle cloud. When the belly rubbing operation comes to a halt, you will get a punishment, human. This is my holiday plan at home after turning down all the appointments.
Daddy. Oh, Daddy, where Daddy? What about Mommy? Mommy. Daddy.
Now I understand why not everyone can be casted as Sleeping Beauty. Sunshine, fresh air, and zero boat responsibilities. Doggo heaven. This isn't just exercise, it's flying puppy playtime.
Good boy. I'm gonna take a picture of you, okay, boy?
The gathering really does make the heart beat faster, and the tail wag stronger.
Stop it!
When you raise stubborn babies, this is our sidewalk, and let's give it a good rub. Brain freeze question. Is this a dog or a tiny yeti enjoying a refreshing snack? That moment when your puppy bravely takes their first steps into the vast ocean. Courage, Papa.
You know what? I don't even care. You don't even hurt. Now, let me take your pretty picture. That's the picture.
Finally, Little Prince meets the fox again, and they live happily ever after.
Hello.
Excited, Papa. You're back! Time for walkies, cuddlings, and all that good stuff. This dog is the social butterfly of the dog park, except he only makes friends with humans.
Wait, what did you make for the dog?
Turkey covered with bacon.
When your dad says he doesn't want to raise a dog,
For the baby.
has anyone seen my dog anywhere? Comment if you see it. This isn't just a puppy, it's a grandpa's best friend in a tiny fluffy package. Doggo may not be the best finder, but he's definitely the champion of cuteness. Those balloons look like so much fun to the dog. Can he have 1 or 2 or 5, lady? Guys, size doesn't matter when it comes to the joy of fetch. This dog welcomes guests with unique gifts. Consider it a awesome party favor.
Oh, thank you.
Behold, Aladdin, Abu, and their victory parade. This is what family time is all about. We never wanted a dog, they said. Now they can't imagine life without him.
No barking. Promise me that.
They all agreed not to make noise at night. Deal?
Thank you. Thanks for the promise. Thank you, Bubba.
Move over, pillows. This pup is about to claim his bed as his throne.
Alan, you could just walk. Missy. Oh, well, if you're happy to join, to run with her. Go on.
Doggo leadership. Listen up, humans. We can do this together.
You gotta pay your rent. Okay, your rent isn't free. You can't just expect to eat all day. And hey, look at me while I'm talking to you. You can't just expect to eat all day and get away with it, okay? You gotta pay your rent too.
Cherish every wag, bark, and snuggle. Because when your dog becomes an integral part of the family, every moment is awesome. Until next time.